Hey everyone, this is Linda with Circle Heart Creations. We are on Totally Dazzled's page. I'm going to use this. This is a Hobby Lobby pumpkin, and it does stand. We're going to paint it this cozy beige color by Paint Couture. I'm going to use this color right here. So again, don't pay too much attention to these molds because they are, they did good though. I wanted them to harden before I came on live today, and then there's that one down there. So I will paint the back and finish it all off. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put some brown wax on this. And I'm just using everybody's favorite Bear Wax from Home Depot. I'm just gonna go in. Okay, so we kind of just dirtied that up a little bit. All right, let me think. I think I want to. I like it. So this is what this looks like. So you have all these little scroll things in it. I think I like this. I just need to use less paint on it. I think you can see that. So the color I'm using is just a very it's called Spun Gold by, y'all, I'm using all kinds of stuff tonight, by Plaster Paint Company. So that's the gold that it is. I know, isn't that a pretty gold? And it's really, I mean, it's real pretty faint on there. It's not like in your face, but to get my rub and buff to work. I'll tell you what. Well, that's that. We got, I think I'm going to use this gold. We're just going to bling it out, y'all. So we're going to use this gold, and I think I just need one strand of it. Now this is easy to use. I need a long strand. We're gonna go around the pumpkin. I think I'm gonna use my Fabri-Tac only because it's one strand and I don't want to burn my fingers. So we just use that bling wrap all the way around. I got this, look. I don't even know where I got it. I want to say, oh, I do. This was from Hobby Lobby on clearance. We're just gonna glue it down. So far we have that. I don't know, y'all. Do y'all think we ought to put this on here? What do y'all think? Oh, that's kind of pretty. Probably not. No, let me take it off. I'll take it off. So see this big piece here? I like that. It's pretty. So this is a gold piece, and yes, I think I'm going to put it right there on that stem. That's going to be our stem. So we got a blinged out stem. A blinged out stem. And then I think we're going to put this right here. I like it because we are totally dazzled. We are going to sparkle her up. Y'all, these appliques, also totallydazzled.com. can find these. They have this sticky 3M little sticky part there, so that will stay. Look, how pretty. That is pretty. Alright, so we're going to put a bow over here. Now I'm going to have to take a bow making class because I love bows, but I cannot make a bow for the life of me. Just can't do it. I kind of like that. This is what we have here. So this is one of our gold pieces there. And then this is, of course, our applique that you can find on totallydazzled.com. This is from our fall pack. Look how pretty that is. That is from our fall pack there. And then I'm thinking, oh, the bling wrap. Don't forget the bling wrap. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for spending some time with me. I enjoyed this. And y'all be blessed. See y'all next time. Bye-bye.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.